Hello, a Charjan agus fáilte go clúicheimiid fear bheith sin na dú Hanna streammuéirigh na bliana dal a chéad na dal anna Assassin's Creed Valhalla ag an na nolacha a bhí tíirech éichcin 5 minúte mustáis sin an heach Yule season hín go Valhalla so hí sin na sinna céaltha really tíirech dal bhaine trúla dé seach so ha seo inti nach hása ha sin go a chula duine go bhfuil gemme is mar sin chanéimú peig barach go a han so stalm sin ach canúnám ha inti nach éichcin is agad mar ha seo cumanta go leor anna chud géimicin éile mar Animal Crossing mar éis an pléir sinna gatacha gach míos agus ruúta mar sin fiús géimicin mar overcooked bíad san chéanú a cha inti nach éichcin Valhalla I tarst stuhan amach sur nasci céilte na ráin so ha sin dal a dhéanú a Yule Festival hashtag in ri brín ri round bhí mi dhé na ran an Anglia an iad ach mi smutsin cynnig ein táis chuch chanéalach fichad lá cyn nes an Yule Festival dhéanú so féimi sin táis go skipolta ach so chi sin mar a héit ein leis sinnach nu ar rilí cad sin go sin seo jeirich can an jeirich na bliana ag táiseach chluicheid thuirs míad am hain gan déanaín ar sam bliana agus chin is drééis sin dénín so ha farcin go má seasnach
The settlement looks quite festive.
The Yule celebration is here. It's midwinter, Eivor. Time to drink, fight, and compete in hopes of a bounteous harvest.
Joleach
Yolnir, the Yule god, smiles on us.
Yolnir.
The days will soon grow longer, my friend. It's all a glorious rebirth about to begin.
And you did all this?
Not exactly. On a scouting mission, Sunniva and I met a group of, we call them revelers. They did most of the work. Sunniva's manning the fistfight tournament.
Scan je al heen? Niet sin go bhfuil sé sin?
Meanwhile, I have opened my own shop. Rather than silver, we use
Ha seo farcin go má mar Animal Crossing an a dá cean neánach
They certainly look homemade.
Thank you, yes. Now, before we begin our celebrations, we need to get the brewery and the cattle farm ready for the Yule feast.
And you'd like me to do that, I suppose.
I would. And since I'm so fond of you, have some Yule tokens. I expect
Okay,
to
ha
see
héin
you at
díach
celebrations
ar
later.
go téine chruúcha Right, so J a ní sin go dáteach Okay, so ha cin quick Yule token G cacin
Built yet. I should do that for her before the festival. I will need to raise the bar if we're going to get the farm ready for the festival.
Okay. Cáit bhéil táracham iad sin dhéanú. Right, tá suite go raibh súnin go íse gá
My eye.
Davis sin. Hálan na hen na mis bhain sin ar san brewery. A héad ar san cuarpis Jive. Callas cuarpis é le sin ach mí fiochan ríise scíre a larach ar thuchas mí an dóg mí brewery sin. Bakery? Nah. Okay, mis méid go bhfuil a hána heach. Ha cad nam bheros a bu na séad nan rá nuair a héitiú ganna bhapa na ní sé út anna hinach Ca bhfuil na tuplachin
Be my
seo?
eyes.
Sin. Oh, Okay, well, hynny sin, café. Right, okay. Brúdi. Oh. Héitsin. And I sin goit go bí fé mac in rage in orth gan ianú san na stúhan bhíacin. Ha mi ddíach éid críoch a chud é Zelda Breath of the Wild. Smar sin nuair ha mi iscit strep nan dócalach ha mi dúlca nuair gá iscit léim agus scé. Ok, scanio. Iad sin acin a chachris fi go bí go learacin ar san ar déile. Goit go bí crech a dhí áin. Brúdi, scanio. Okidoki. Smashing. This. Cattle farm. Shin in that route. Cavelas J Yi. Yuck. There's Shahashin. Come on, fat there, fellas. Cos'è Hashin? Any bug Hashin? Hello, Shunach Moth, can I have I know we both take Shinkursana ha. It can't think of it. Gran Hinach of us. Okay, Hashin Dollar Alam, Kishi Naham. Aves. Aye. Shirach Hishin. Aye, yeah, no, so hi, Ichirach. I knew got really kitchen gavichin a shaw. A shay bliana, ja. Tlikimich. Hashinid. Chin. She bliana chonyanach a hidvian go you. A chai farkin gavichinid, Joe asked the heen, Marco on a Nikiat video in Jedi Fallen Order. Farnach pudding gave Misha Eichkin, I guess really a pudding gave McLean. Chomashin. Yeah, it's nursing tra gone home, I should then. Macalyark, if you will do the thing. Atomic Bra. Oh, this is where you're cursed to find and destroy the source. You shouldn't come on. Aye, how much go ma? How much a few re Sir Lion and Nolaka. Gotcha nu the healers click much of the nude Kajanshin Karan party cola but I had your again vision sparse I was mentioning. He's putting in Jackbox of like North conversion. Hishin. So aye, yeah, I've had Carniana. The actually a cam bliana. Fesker ma logi ver fatje dash. Kimmer ga goed lishen nakalev. Aye, I've had Carniana the Jeduk bliana gestuur hishin the gammy in the hikamach and Avlin. Me is capture card ein, so before could be shin kill buddinga streaming van Switch akam. So Hishin ha mi hain gomód son skachik Breath of the Wild gamach an Avlin ach chanel mi ha mi dachasach chanel mi chanel mi dúrish Come on, be we talk somewhere now. Oh, Scaniel Hain. Smart, I knew. Mashin the function. Mashin Hain, if Fiachenry, Asha Larak or son.
Dark spirits torment this land.
Tuahinnis a hookal. Ach, Reerkalas ha a skira hasha a malach good. Right, okay. Come in a click mission. Sure. Jeez, in here. Oh, wolf. Shouldn't have. But up. agus cúteach Xbox gom afar seacin. Wow, scaneal hain na mi dachas gon gáir út. Dúna gemichin a hacad dúna gemichin a hair san ein. Ba mi hain can le is smún sin mi hain Xbox Series X ein yor ha Xbox a hain ac am drasta. Agus is good Game Pass ac am agus rúta mar sin. So I can't jenna cíal ach cáte bhéil a rúta ha seo. And yeah, right, I can't think she is, so him sin dal he is. Ach, cálas go maith chin is éifir.
What do you see, Sunan?
Haniel mi itse het ek sin, mi smentin gaitje gevel. Is a good bag irchar ken an se ruta ha seo.